I got myself the INFINITIPRO by Conair. A shower mount and also a brush in there, and the brush inside is supposed to be like a comb, so that way the water comes through, and then you know the water just like you have to move any motion with the water, so that way it's easier to detangle. It is the best way to detangle actually. I only detangle in the shower with conditioning my hair, so I'm really excited to try this out. So it's a hydro-detangler and showerhead. It massage, detangle and rinse all at the same time. They have 5 wall mount spray settings. This video is not sponsored in any form, shape or way. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I think it was like, so it was only $39.99, $40. Not too bad, not too pricey. I never really seen a shower head with a brush before, so I was excited to try it out. So I was like, you know what, let me just try, get it, and then at least you can return, right? I think so. I think you can return if it doesn't work, because if it don't work, you're going straight back to the store. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the box to show you guys what's inside. So of course you have I don't know what this is. I'm gonna break this thing before it even works. Do you have instructions on how to do this? Oh, they do. Remove old shower head by turning it clockwise. Wipe it off of debris from the threaded pipe wrap and whatever. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys what's in the box, because those instructions seem complicated. This comes with it. Not sure what this is. This long thing, which is probably the hose. I don't know what you guys call it the professional way, but this is where the water comes through. Okay. This is a brush. The bristles aren't. They're really soft, so I'm really excited to use this. Really soft bristle. I guess the water comes through these little holes you see here, and then this is what the bristles look like. So this is the shower head that pretty much comes with it. So I'm gonna try to take out the old one that we have and put in the new one, and I'll just take you guys to see what I'm doing. What is this song? That sounds broken to me. So I'm gonna remove this. Oh, but why is this running water? So I'm gonna just. I feel like water won't splash up on me. Why is that coming off? Am I doing this wrong way? It's righty tighty lefty. What? Alright, we're going somewhere. Yeah, but we got the most important pieces. But how this makes sense? So first you put this on. Right here, this part on. But I'm making no sense. This is the pipe. Oh, all this have to come off? This pipe should not be this hard to take this thing on and off.
I need tape.
For what?
To put between here and so water wouldn't seep.
We finally get this thing off. Ooh. No, this is not turn. Yeah, man, let's see put this part on. Okay. The moment we have been waiting on. Oh no, it is coming out of that. So for my final thoughts line on this Conair head brush, to be quite honest, I actually enjoyed it. Like, it helped me a lot when detangling my hair. As you guys can tell, it definitely made sure all the product was run out properly. My hair was properly detangled, and it was just a really easy breeze to just glide through my hair. The only downside I will say about this product is that I think the water that was coming out of it was a little too powerful, so
I don't know how to describe it, but it just weighed down the front of my curls, because the front of my hair, the texture is slightly different. The curls are much looser, but with the comb and the water pulling down on the curls, it just loosened. And I don't know how to describe it, like the curl itself wasn't like bouncing back, it was just like hanging there like limp. Curls don't normally look like that to the front. I'm using products that I've always used in my hair, so I know it's not the products, it's definitely the shower head itself. I think at that point I had the water itself too powerful, and it was too close to I don't know what the case may be, but my curls was just like limp, like just hanging down, as you guys can tell. But besides that, my hair was easily detangled. It was a breeze to literally comb that shampoo and the conditioner through my strands. It was amazing. I would definitely recommend getting this product if you guys have that extra cash. Wait for it to be on sale, and trust me, it's worth the while. As you guys can tell by the little clip right here, a little bit of hair came out. It wasn't too much, and it just did what it was supposed to do, and that's the point of it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my other video. Peace.